can sustainability really be sustainable? Now, that we're seeing a lot of manufacturers with a strong desire to operate sustainably, but the bottom line is the bottom line. And we've seen in 2024 coming into 2025, sustainability has taken a backseat. Profitability really more than ever being an increased focus. Now, the good news is these two things can be done hand in hand. Consider energy, for an example. For about a third of companies, energy is 15% of at least of their operational expenditure. That's a significant cost. Reduce your energy, you save money. Another metric that's very common in the manufacturing environment is OEE, which is overall equipment effectiveness. There's three components to that: productivity, efficiency, and waste. Again, improve those, you're automatically improving your sustainability as well. So based on Omdia's comprehensive voice of the customer analysis, we're helping industrial solutions vendors support their customers in their sustainability transition.